In workforce diversity, male-female is not enough. I'm Jordi Robert Reeves, founder of Connecting Perspectives. We enable effective collaboration within companies. So, workforce diversity, there's not enough male-female. What kind of diversity do we need? There's a lot of talk about male-female diversity. There's in the workforce in general, in innovation teams, even at the board of directors level. And of course, it's important, but it's not enough. We might have a well-balanced male-female team, but all of them coming from the very same university. That won't be enough. We need diversity of education, diversity of universities, diversity of culture, of nationalities. At the end of the day, we need diversity of perspectives, and we want them to be connected. What type of diversity have you achieved in your teams, in your companies? What benefits have you gained thanks to this diversity? What challenges have you faced? I look forward to having your comments, and as usual, I'll be here in a few days' time to report on the comments and the questions. So remember, in workforce diversity, male-female is not enough. Keep connecting new perspectives.